Hello guys, what's up? I hope you all are also doing well. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you about another charcoal activated toothpaste review. I hope you will like the product. So if you want to know the full details and information about this toothpaste, then please do watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So friends, here I have this toothpaste that is manufactured by Kara Innovative Marketing Solutions or Urban Organics. At the front part you will see given CharcoNeem herbal toothpaste, charcoal whitening with neem protection. So guys, this is a herbal toothpaste, so you don't need to worry much on using it. Now first of all, let's check what are all their claims about the toothpaste and also know all their details. Here the company has mentioned that it fights bacteria and tooth decay. Second, it removes plaque and tartar. Third, it is long-lasting freshness. And fourth, it strengthens gums. And fifth, it fights bad breath. So this product has a quantity of 100 gram in which the MRP given is for 265 rupees. But guys, if you order this from Flipkart or Snapdeal, you will get this just for rupees 149 only. So it's a very good deal and its shelf life is for 3 years. And then next, let's get to know the composition or ingredients in this toothpaste. It has activated charcoal 1%, common salt or sodium chloride 2%, herbal gum or Chemophora myra is 1%, neem extract is 0.5%, akhrout is 2%, pudina 0.5%, coconut oil 0.1%. And then rest ingredients or composition are like base, preservatives, color and fragrance. So now let's get to know the meaning of the brand name CharcoNeem. So CharcoNeem is a unique blend of herbs and essential oils which have a long history of safe and effective usage in herbs. Oral hygiene plays vital role in treatment of bleeding gums, ulcerated gums, tooth decay and plaque. So guys, this toothpaste can also be used by both children and adults. But children can use this only if you are age of 12 years and above. But this is not meant for babies at all. So friends, finally I would like to conclude that this toothpaste is best and special if you are suffering from bleeding of gums because it has neem extract which has antibacterial properties to fight bacteria which results in bleeding gums. You can use this paste if you have loose teeth so that with the help of this it will tighten up and make your teeth stronger as it has charcoal in it. Use this toothpaste if you have yellowish teeth. It will definitely help you in making your teeth whiter with the help of charcoal and salt present in it. This toothpaste can also help you if you have tooth decay. It also removes plaque and tartar. And whenever you brush your teeth with this, you will feel its freshness for over a long period of time. It also helps you in fighting bad breath. So these are all about its details and benefits from this toothpaste. Now let's see how it actually looks like from inside packaging. So it comes in a tube packaging with a cap for closing. The quantity is quite big according to the price. And so this is the texture of the paste as you can see here. Its color is kind of grey bluish shade. Consistency is little thinner than regular toothpaste, but it stays on over the brush even after you run it under water. This toothpaste does not irritate my teeth while brushing and I don't have much sensitivity to foods or temperature. So overall, it's a very good toothpaste in such an affordable range for herbal brands, and the flavor is also decent and it is very mild. So guys, if you want to purchase it, you can check the links given below directly and purchase from there. So friends, this was it all about my review of this charcoal activated toothpaste. I hope you have found this video helpful and informative. If so, then please give this video a like, also share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.